Loquat tree. Ornamental as well as practical, Loquat tree make excellent lawn specimen trees with whirls of glossy foliage and a naturally attractive shape. They grow about 25 feet, 7.5 meter tall with a canopy that spreads 15 to 20 feet, 4.5 to 6 meter, a size that is well suited to home landscapes. Large clusters of attractive fruit stand out against the dark green tropical looking foliage and add to the tree's visual appeal. You can learn more about growing and caring for a loquat tree to see if this interesting addition would make a suitable option for you. What is a loquat? You may be wondering exactly what is a loquat. Loquats, Eriobotria japonica, are trees that produce small, round or pear-shaped fruits, rarely more than 2 inches, 5 centimeters long. Sweet or slightly acidic in flavor, the juicy flesh may be white, yellow or orange with a yellow or orange blushed peel. Loquats are tasty when peeled and eaten fresh, or you can freeze the whole fruit for later use. They make excellent jellies, jams, preserves, cobblers or pies. Loquat trees are sensitive to cold weather. The trees can tolerate temperatures as low as 10 Fahrenheit, minus 12 degrees Celsius, without serious damage, but temperatures below 27 Fahrenheit, minus 3 Celsius, kill the flowers and fruit. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.